big news. Over 450 developers working on Diablo at Blizzard just voted to unionize. They're joining the Communication Workers of America after years of layoffs, burnout, and what they call the passion tax. The union spans Blizzard offices in California, New York, and Texas. And here's the wild part. Microsoft actually recognized it right away thanks to a labor neutrality deal they made in 2022. Here's why it matters. Workers say they'll get to fight for fair pay, credit, remote work protections, and limits on how AI gets used in game development. This is now one of the largest game dev unions in the US. Stay tuned, because this could be a turning point for the entire gaming industry.